Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using TurboTax and suddenly run into error code 630, don't worry, you're not alone. This error can be frustrating, but the good news is it's usually easy to fix. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process to resolve error 630 quickly, so you can get back to finishing your taxes without stress. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share some key tips that will help you avoid this error in the future. First, let's talk about why this error happens. TurboTax. Error 630 usually shows up when there's a data inconsistency in your profile. In most cases, it's something as simple as a mismatch or an incomplete entry in your personal information, especially your Social Security number or ITIN. Now, let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Access TurboTax. Open your browser and head to the official TurboTax website. Make sure you're always logging in from the official site for security. Step 2. Sign in. Look at the top right corner of the home page and click Sign In. Enter your TurboTax credentials to access your account. Step 3. Navigate to your personal data. Once you're inside, go to the section called My Info. From there, click on Your Info. This is where all your personal details are stored. Step 4. Review and correct information. Here's the most important part. Click on Revisit to carefully review every section of your personal data. Check for anything incomplete, inconsistent, or mistyped. Even a small error, like a missing middle initial or an extra space, can trigger error 630. After reviewing, hit Continue to let TurboTax reprocess your details. Step 5. Verify your SSN or ITIN. In the Your Info section, go directly to the Social Security number or ITIN field. Double-check this digit by digit. A single incorrect number or transposed digit is one of the most common causes of error 630. Once you confirm it's accurate, click Continue again. By following these steps, TurboTax will reprocess your information, and in most cases, error 630 will be resolved immediately. So here's the bottom line. TurboTax error 630 is almost always caused by inaccurate or incomplete personal data. The fastest way to fix it is to review your information carefully, pay extra attention to your SSN or ITIN, and always confirm by clicking Continue so the system updates properly. And that's it. You've successfully resolved error code 630. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech and tax tutorials, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions or ran into a different error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.